Based on the provided data for Bitcoin, a bullish investment strategy appears promising. The price history shows a general upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $97.000 mark. The forecast suggests continued upward momentum, with prices potentially reaching $99.800 within the next week. This positive outlook, coupled with the support price at $91.968.57, indicates a favorable risk-reward profile. Therefore, I recommend a long-term investment strategy for Bitcoin. An entry point around $95.600 allows for a comfortable entry price below the recent highs, while still capturing potential upside. A stop loss at $92.900 provides a cushion against potential market reversals. The target price should be set at $99.800, aiming to capitalize on the projected price increase and allowing for a healthy profit margin. This strategy combines a bullish outlook with risk management, aiming for long-term capital appreciation in Bitcoin. Given the price trends and forecast for Bitcoin Cash, a medium-term investment strategy focused on a long position appears suitable. The historical prices demonstrate an upward trend, with the recent price hovering near the support level of $496.1. The forecast suggests continued upward movement, reaching potentially as high as $569 in the coming weeks. This indicates a bullish outlook for Bitcoin Cash in the medium term. Therefore, an investment strategy for Bitcoin Cash would involve entering a long position at the current market price, around $512. A stop loss could be placed at $496.1, the support level, to protect against unforeseen price drops. The target price should be set at $569, aligning with the highest forecast price, allowing for significant profit potential. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated upward momentum of Bitcoin Cash, aiming to achieve substantial returns over the medium term. Based on the provided information for stacks, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data demonstrates an overall upward trend, with recent price action consolidating around the $2.20 level. The forecast suggests continued upward momentum, with prices potentially reaching $2.42 within the next week. This indicates a bullish outlook for stacks in the short to medium term. Therefore, an investment strategy for stacks should focus on a long position. A suitable entry price would be around $2.25, allowing for a small margin of safety below the current price. The stop-loss order should be placed at $2.15 to protect against unexpected downward movements. The target price could be set at $2.40, aiming to capture a significant portion of the anticipated price appreciation. This strategy balances risk and reward, capitalizing on the bullish momentum while mitigating potential losses. Given the price trends and forecast for Ethereum, a moderately aggressive investment strategy would focus on a medium-term approach to capitalize on the anticipated upward momentum. The historical prices show a generally upward trajectory, with the current price hovering near the resistance level of $3,678.32. The forecast suggests Ethereum could rise to around $3,920, indicating potential for further gains. Therefore, a long position is advisable to capitalize on this potential. An entry price of $3,650 would align with the current price and allow for a potential profit. The stop loss should be set at $3,570 to mitigate risk in case of a sudden price decline. The target price should be set at $3,850, a point that offers a reasonable return while allowing for some room for further upward movement. This strategy balances risk and reward, aiming to capture a significant portion of the anticipated price increase in the medium term. Based on the provided Ripple price history and forecast, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical data reveals a clear upward trend, with recent price movements suggesting consolidation and potential for further growth. The forecast predicts continued price appreciation, reaching $2.30 within the next 2 weeks. This indicates a bullish outlook for Ripple in the short to medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended. An aggressive entry price could be around $1.55, aligning with the current price and allowing for potential gains as the price approaches the forecast target. A stop loss at $1.45 would protect against unexpected downward movements, while a target price of $1.95, slightly above the highest forecast price, would allow for substantial profit realization. This strategy aims to capitalize on the anticipated upward momentum of Ripple while managing risk effectively. Based on the provided Binance Coin price information, a bullish investment strategy is recommended. The historical price data shows a generally upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $640 to $655 range. The forecast suggests continued upward momentum, with prices potentially reaching $660 to $675 in the coming week. This positive outlook, coupled with the support price at $622.75, indicates a favorable environment for long-term investment. Therefore, a long position is advisable, aiming to capitalize on the anticipated price increase. An entry price of $640 would allow for entry at a relatively attractive point, with a stop loss set at $625 to protect against unexpected downward movements. The target price should be set at $670, allowing for a significant profit margin while remaining within the projected price range. This strategy aligns with a medium-term investment horizon, allowing for potential price appreciation while mitigating risks through a well-defined stop loss. Given the historical price data and the forecast for Stellar, a bullish investment strategy is recommended. The historical prices show a consistent upward trend, reaching a high of $0.545. The current price is hovering near the support level of $0.497, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. The forecast indicates further upward movement, with prices projected to reach $0.655 in the coming weeks. Therefore, a long position is advisable. An ideal entry price would be around $0.497, aligning with the support level. A stop loss could be placed at $0.482, slightly below the current price, to minimize potential losses. The target price should be set at $0.608, a conservative target based on the forecast, allowing for potential profit taking before reaching the resistance level of $0.5452. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated upward momentum of Stellar in the medium term, aiming to profit from the projected price increase. Given the provided price history and forecast for Toncoin, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The 2-week price history demonstrates an overall upward trend, with recent fluctuations. While the forecast predicts continued growth, the absence of clear support and resistance levels suggests potential volatility. Therefore, a medium-term approach allows for capturing potential gains while mitigating risks associated with short-term market swings. A long position is recommended based on the upward trend and positive forecast. A conservative entry price could be around $6.30, aligning with the recent price highs and the first forecast price. The stop loss should be set slightly below the entry price, at approximately $6.15, to protect against unexpected downward movements. The target price could be set at $7, aligning with the later forecast values and allowing for a reasonable profit margin. This strategy balances potential gains with risk management, capitalizing on the positive outlook for Toncoin while acknowledging the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Based on the provided Cardano data, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data demonstrates a clear upward trend, with the price consistently increasing over the past 2 weeks. The forecast price further reinforces this bullish sentiment, projecting continued growth over the next week. While the resistance level is relatively high at $1.191, the Cardano price is currently trading near the support level of $1.027, suggesting a potential for a price surge towards the resistance. Therefore, I recommend a long position on Cardano. A strategic entry price could be around $1.05, allowing for a small margin of safety above the current support level. The stop loss should be set at $1.027, aligning with the support price to minimize potential losses. The target price could be set at $1.15, aiming to capitalize on a significant portion of the projected price increase while leaving room for further upside potential. This medium-term approach allows for potential profit generation while mitigating risk through a well-defined stop loss. Based on the provided Litecoin price information, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data shows a general upward trend, with the price hovering around the resistance level of $104.77. The forecast price indicates continued growth, potentially reaching $114 in the coming weeks. This suggests that Litecoin may experience a period of consolidation before resuming its upward trajectory. Therefore, an investment strategy involving a long position is recommended. A suitable entry price would be around $102, aligning with the forecast and providing a margin of safety below the resistance level. The stop loss should be set at $96, protecting against a potential pullback to the recent support level. The target price could be set at $110, aiming to capture a significant portion of the anticipated price increase. This strategy balances risk and reward, allowing for potential gains while mitigating potential losses. Given the historical price data and the provided forecast for Swaycoin, a cautious investment strategy with a medium-term perspective appears most suitable. While the forecast suggests a slight upward trend, the historical price data exhibits volatility and a recent downward movement. The price is currently hovering near the support level, indicating a potential for a bounce back. Therefore, a long position is recommended. An entry price of $3.45 aligns with the current price and the potential for a bounce. The stop loss should be set at $3.40 to protect against further downside movement. The target price can be set at $3.60, aiming to capture a potential upward move towards the resistance level. This strategy allows for a measured approach, capitalizing on a potential uptrend while mitigating risk with a well-defined stop loss. Aptos's price history shows an upward trend with a slight dip recently. The forecast indicates continued upward momentum over the next week, suggesting a bullish outlook for Aptos. The current price is near the support price of $12.70, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Given the bullish outlook and the entry point near the support level, a long position is recommended. An aggressive short-term investment strategy would involve entering a long position at $12.70, the support price. The stop loss should be set at $12.50 to protect against any unexpected price drops. The target price could be set at $13.26, the resistance price, aiming to capitalize on the potential price increase. This strategy allows for a quick profit if the price rises towards the resistance level, while minimizing potential losses if the price dips below the support level. Based on the provided price information for SAY, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data reveals a general upward trend, with recent fluctuations suggesting consolidation. The forecast indicates continued growth, albeit with minor dips. This suggests a potential for gradual price appreciation over the coming weeks. Therefore, an investment strategy for SAY would involve a long position. A suitable entry price would be around 67 cents, aligning with the current price and the support level. The stop loss should be set at 66 cents, slightly below the recent lows, to minimize risk. The target price could be set at 70 cents, capturing potential upside based on the forecast and historical resistance levels. This strategy allows for participation in the upward trend while managing risk through a defined stop loss. Given the price trends and forecast for Ethereum Classic, an aggressive investment strategy would focus on a long-term approach to capitalize on the anticipated upward momentum. The historical prices demonstrate a consistent upward trajectory, with the current price hovering near its forecast and close to the support level of $29.58. The resistance is at $32.67, indicating potential for further upward movement. In this scenario, a long position is advisable to benefit from the potential for a price increase towards the resistance level. For this strategy, an entry price of $30 would be ideal, aligning with the current price and providing a buffer above the support level. The stop loss should be set at $29.50, protecting against any unexpected price reversals. The target price should be set at $32.50, allowing you to take profits before the market reaches the resistance level and potentially experiences a pullback. This long-term approach capitalizes on the bullish forecast while managing risk through a well-defined stop loss and a conservative target price. The provided data for Polygon indicates a bullish trend over the past 2 weeks, with prices steadily increasing. The forecast also suggests continued upward momentum in the coming week. Given this positive outlook, a long-term investment strategy appears promising. I recommend entering a long position at the current price of $0.583, with a stop loss set at $0.564 to protect against potential short-term retracements. The target price should be set at $0.671, aligning with the highest forecasted price, allowing for substantial profit potential. This strategy capitalizes on the prevailing bullish trend and aims to capture significant gains as Polygon continues its upward trajectory. Given the price trends and forecast for AEVO, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices demonstrate a generally upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the support price of 46 cents. The forecast suggests continued upward momentum, with prices potentially reaching the resistance level of $0.524. This indicates a bullish outlook in the medium term. Therefore, a long position is advisable to capitalize on the anticipated price increase. An optimal entry price would be around $0.473, slightly above the recent high and close to the support level. A stop loss should be set at 46 cents, just below the support price, to minimize potential losses. The target price could be set at $0.515, aiming for a significant portion of the potential price increase before reaching the resistance level. This strategy allows for a balance between risk and reward, taking advantage of the bullish momentum while mitigating potential downside risk. Based on the provided optimism price information, a short-term bullish investment strategy is recommended. The historical price data demonstrates a consistent upward trend, with the price currently hovering near its forecast and the support level. The forecast indicates continued upward momentum, suggesting a potential for price appreciation towards the resistance level. Therefore, an aggressive investment strategy would involve opening a long position at the entry price of $2.38, which is slightly above the current price. The stop loss should be set at $2.203, the support price, to minimize potential losses. The target price should be set at $2.493, the resistance level, to maximize potential profits. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated price increase and aims to secure gains before the price potentially encounters resistance. Based on the provided historical price data and forecast for STRK, a bullish investment strategy appears promising. The historical prices demonstrate an upward trend, with the recent price hovering near the support price of $0.609. The forecast suggests a continued upward trajectory, with prices potentially reaching $0.715 within the next week. This positive outlook, coupled with the proximity to the support level, indicates a potential entry point for a long position. Therefore, an aggressive short-term investment strategy for STRK would involve entering a long position at the current market price, which is slightly above the support level. A stop-loss order should be placed at $0.609 to limit potential losses if the price reverses direction. The target price should be set at $0.715, aligning with the highest forecasted price, allowing you to capitalize on the anticipated upward momentum. This strategy capitalizes on the bullish sentiment and the potential for STRK to continue its upward trend in the short term. Given the price trends and forecast for Solana, a short-term investment strategy appears to be the most suitable. The historical prices demonstrate an upward trajectory, but the recent 2-week price change has shown some fluctuations. The forecast suggests a continued upward movement, with prices potentially reaching $261. This indicates a bullish outlook in the short term. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this potential price increase. An entry price of $243, aligned with the current price and near the resistance level, would be ideal. The stop loss should be set at $237, slightly below the recent lows, to protect against unexpected price drops. The target price should be set at $256, aiming to capture a portion of the forecasted price increase. This strategy allows for potential profit from the anticipated upward movement while managing risk through a well-defined stop loss. Given the price trends and forecast for Jupiter, a medium-term investment strategy appears suitable. The historical prices show a slight upward trend with fluctuations, while the forecast indicates a continued upward momentum, reaching prices above the current level. The support price at $1.1329 provides a safety net, while the resistance at $1.2465 suggests a potential ceiling for the price in the near future. Therefore, an aggressive medium-term investment strategy would involve taking a long position in Jupiter. A suitable entry price would be around $1.15, slightly below the current price, allowing for a margin of safety. The stop loss should be placed at $1.13, below the support price, to limit potential losses. The target price could be set at $1.22, aiming to capture a portion of the anticipated upward movement before reaching the resistance level. This strategy allows for a balanced approach, capitalizing on the positive price trend while managing risk effectively. Render shows a 2-week price increase, with the forecast indicating continued upward momentum. The price history reveals a consistent upward trajectory, and the current price is close to its forecast. This suggests a bullish outlook for Render in the short term. Therefore, a long position is advisable to capitalize on the potential for a price increase. An aggressive investment strategy could involve an entry price of $7.90, aligning with the recent price action and the forecast. A stop loss at $7.50 would protect against unexpected price reversals, while a target price of $9 allows for capturing potential gains based on the forecast. This strategy aims to capitalize on the short-term upward momentum of Render, leveraging the positive price trends and forecast. Given the price trends and forecast for Solana name service, a medium-term investment strategy appears suitable. The historical prices demonstrate a consistent upward trajectory, with recent fluctuations around the 27 cents to 33 cents range. The forecast predicts continued upward movement, reaching $0.348 within the next week. This suggests a bullish outlook for Solana name service in the short to medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this potential price increase. An ideal entry price would be around $0.289, aligning with the forecast's initial price point. Setting a stop loss at 27 cents, slightly below the recent support price, helps mitigate risk. The target price should be set at 34 cents, allowing for profit taking before the market potentially encounters resistance at $0.3735. This strategy balances risk and reward, aiming to capture a significant portion of the anticipated price movement over the medium term. Based on the provided data for Doge-Coin, a medium-term investment strategy appears to be most suitable. The historical price data shows a fluctuating trend, with recent price increases suggesting potential for further growth. The forecast price indicates a consistent upward trajectory over the next week, reaching a high of $0.475. This positive outlook, coupled with the support price at $0.40037, suggests a favorable environment for a long position. To execute this strategy, we recommend entering a long position at $0.415, aligning with the current price and allowing for potential upside. The stop loss should be set at $0.40037, the support price, to minimize potential losses. The target price can be set at $0.475, the highest forecasted price, aiming to capitalize on the anticipated upward movement. This medium-term approach allows for a balance between risk and reward, capitalizing on the positive price trends while mitigating potential downsides. Given the price trends and forecast for PEPE, a short-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices show a recent dip, with the current price hovering near the support level of $0.0000183. The forecast suggests a slight upward movement, potentially reaching $0.0000222 in the coming week. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this potential upward movement. An aggressive entry price would be around $0.0000190, slightly above the current price. The stop loss should be set at $0.0000183, just below the support level, to minimize potential losses. The target price could be set at $0.0000210, aiming to capture a good portion of the forecasted price increase. This strategy allows for a quick turnaround with the potential for moderate gains within a short time frame. Based on the provided information about SHIB Inu, an investment strategy that favors a short-term approach with a long position appears to be most suitable. The historical price data shows a generally upward trend, although with some fluctuations. The forecast prices suggest continued growth, with potential for Shiba Inu to reach prices above the current resistance level. Considering the support price is well below the current price, the risk of a significant downward correction appears to be low in the short term. Therefore, a strategic entry point would be around the current price, close to the support level. A stop-loss order could be placed slightly below the support price to minimize potential losses. The target price should be set at a level that reflects the potential for upward movement based on the forecast, allowing for a healthy profit margin. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated short-term growth of Shiba Inu while managing risk effectively. Given the price trends and forecast for Dog with Hat, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices show a slight downward trend, but the forecast suggests a potential upward reversal. The current price is hovering near the support level, indicating potential for a bounce. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this potential rebound. An entry price of $3.15 aligns with the forecast and offers a reasonable entry point. The stop loss should be set at $3.05, below the recent lows, to protect against further downside. The target price is set at $3.29, aiming to capture the resistance level and potential upside momentum. This strategy balances risk and reward, allowing for potential profits while mitigating losses in case the price fails to rebound as expected. Based on the provided data for Doge-Coin, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price shows a clear upward trend, with recent price action hovering around the support level. The forecast suggests continued upward momentum, with prices potentially reaching the resistance level. This indicates a bullish outlook for Doge-Coin in the medium term. Given this outlook, a long position is recommended. An ideal entry price would be around $0.00865, aligning with the current price and allowing for potential upside. A stop loss should be placed at $0.008439, the identified support price, to minimize potential losses. The target price could be set at $0.01064, the resistance level, aiming to capitalize on the full potential price increase. This strategy balances risk and reward, allowing for potential gains while mitigating potential losses. Given the price trends and forecast for Near Protocol, an aggressive investment strategy would focus on a long-term approach to capitalize on the predicted upward momentum. The historical prices demonstrate a generally upward trajectory, with the current price hovering near its forecast and above the support level of $6.018. The resistance is at $7.035, suggesting potential for further price increases. Therefore, a long position is advisable to capitalize on the anticipated price appreciation towards the resistance level. An entry price of $6.80 would allow you to buy in close to the current price while still leaving room for potential growth. The stop loss should be set at $6.05 to mitigate risk in case of a sudden price reversal. The target price should be set at $7.20, aiming to capture a substantial portion of the predicted price increase. Given the price trends and forecast for Internet Computer, a long-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices demonstrate a consistent upward trend, with the current price hovering near the support level of $9.422. The forecast predicts continued upward movement, reaching $13 within the next 2 weeks. This suggests a bullish outlook for Internet Computer in the medium to long term. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on the potential for price appreciation. An entry price of $10, a stop loss at $9.422, and a target price of $13 offer a balanced approach. This strategy allows for potential profit while mitigating risk by setting a stop loss below the support level. The target price aligns with the forecast, aiming to capture a significant portion of the anticipated price increase. Based on the provided injective price information, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data shows a generally upward trend, with recent fluctuations suggesting consolidation. The forecast indicates a continuation of this upward movement, with prices expected to remain around the current support level. This suggests a bullish outlook in the medium term, favoring a long position. An entry price around $29.80, slightly above the support price, would allow you to enter the market at a potentially favorable point. The stop loss should be set at $29.50, protecting against a sudden drop below the support level. The target price could be set at $31.50, aligning with the forecast and aiming to capture a significant portion of the potential upside. This strategy balances risk and reward, allowing you to participate in the potential upward movement of injective while mitigating potential losses. Given the historical price data and the positive forecast for BTC, a long-term investment strategy appears promising. The price has demonstrated consistent upward movement, reaching a high of $673 in the recent past. The forecast suggests continued growth, with prices projected to climb further in the coming weeks. Considering this bullish outlook, an investment strategy could involve entering a long position at the current price point of $616. A stop loss could be set at $596, providing a cushion against potential market reversals. The target price could be set at $718, aligning with the highest forecasted price, allowing for substantial profit potential if the market trend continues upwards. This long-term strategy capitalizes on the projected growth of BTC, aiming to benefit from its sustained upward momentum. Given the price trends and forecast for THETA network, a bullish investment strategy is recommended for a medium-term approach. The historical price data shows a consistent upward trend, with the current price near its forecast and close to the support level of $2.916. The resistance level at $3.426 indicates potential for further upward movement. A long position is advisable to capitalize on this potential. For this strategy, an entry price of $3 would allow you to buy in near the current price, while still leaving room for the price to rise. The stop loss should be set at $2.90 to protect against unexpected price drops. The target price should be set at $3.30, aiming to capture a significant portion of the potential upside before reaching the resistance level. This strategy balances risk and reward, allowing you to participate in the potential growth of THETA network while minimizing potential losses. Based on the provided price history and forecast for WorldCoin, a bullish investment strategy is recommended. The 2-week price change shows an upward trend, with the forecast indicating continued growth. The historical prices demonstrate a consistent upward trajectory, and the current price is near the support level of $3.387. This suggests that the asset is well supported and poised for further gains. The resistance level of $4.062 indicates a potential ceiling for the upward movement. Therefore, a long position is advisable to capitalize on this potential. An entry price of $3.40, slightly above the current price and close to the support level, would be prudent. The stop loss should be set at $3.30, ensuring protection against unexpected price drops. The target price should be set at $3.90, aiming to capture a significant portion of the potential upside before reaching the resistance level. This strategy leverages the bullish momentum and aims to maximize returns while managing risk effectively. Given the price trends and forecast for Hooked Protocol, a medium-term investment strategy appears promising. The historical prices demonstrate a consistent upward trajectory, with the recent price hovering around $0.596. The forecast predicts a further rise, with prices potentially reaching $0.751 in the coming weeks. The support price of $0.5751 provides a safety net, while the resistance level of $0.6654 indicates the potential for further upward movement. Therefore, a long position on Hooked Protocol is recommended for a medium-term investment horizon. A suitable entry price would be around $0.590, allowing you to enter the market at a price close to the current level. The stop loss should be set at $0.575 to minimize potential losses if the price drops below the support level. The target price could be set at $0.660, aiming to capitalize on the potential price increase towards the resistance level. This strategy allows for potential profits while managing risk effectively. Given the price trends and forecast for Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, an aggressive investment strategy would focus on a long-term approach to capitalize on the predicted upward momentum. The historical prices show a consistent upward trajectory, with the current price hovering near the support level of $1.68. The forecast suggests Artificial Superintelligence Alliance could rise from $1.69 to as high as $2.05 in the coming weeks, while the resistance sits at $2.156. This indicates a bullish outlook in the medium to long term, making a long position the most suitable strategy to capitalize on the anticipated price increase. For this strategy, an entry price of $1.70 would allow you to buy in at a slightly discounted rate before the price potentially surges towards its resistance level. The stop loss should be set at $1.65 to protect against any unexpected price corrections. The target price should be set at $2, allowing you to take profits before the market potentially encounters resistance at $2.156. This approach balances risk and reward, aiming to capitalize on the projected price appreciation of Artificial Superintelligence Alliance while mitigating potential losses. Given the price trends and forecast for Polkadot, a medium-term investment strategy focusing on a long position appears promising. The historical prices demonstrate a consistent upward trajectory, with recent price action hovering near the resistance level of $8.975. The forecast suggests continued upward momentum, with prices potentially reaching $9.08 and even $10 in the coming weeks. This positive outlook, coupled with the support price of $5.992, indicates a favorable risk-reward profile for a long position. To execute this strategy, we propose an entry price of $8.50, slightly below the current resistance level, allowing for a potential pullback before entering the trade. The stop loss should be set at $8.10, safeguarding against unexpected price drops. The target price should be $9.50, representing a potential $11.76% gain, taking advantage of the forecast's upward trajectory. This strategy allows for a balanced approach, capitalizing on the bullish momentum while managing risk effectively. Given the price trends and forecast for Filecoin, a medium-term investment strategy appears to be the most suitable. The historical prices show a consistent upward trajectory, with recent price action indicating a potential breakout above the resistance level. The forecast suggests Filecoin could rise from its current price towards $7.96 within the next 2 weeks. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this potential upward movement. An ideal entry price would be around $6.13, aligning with the current price and providing a buffer below the recent high. A stop loss should be placed at $5.82, just below the recent support level, to protect against unexpected price reversals. The target price could be set at $7.50, allowing for a significant profit while staying below the projected resistance level. This strategy balances risk and reward, aiming to capture a substantial portion of the potential price increase within a medium-term timeframe. Based on the provided Conflux price information, a medium-term investment strategy appears to be the most suitable approach. The historical price data reveals a generally upward trend, with recent fluctuations suggesting consolidation. The forecast price indicates continued upward momentum, reaching potentially above the resistance level of $0.2338. Therefore, an investment strategy involving a long position is recommended. A suitable entry price would be around $0.205, slightly below the current price and above the support level of $0.1943. The stop loss should be set at $0.195 to limit potential downside risk. The target price could be set at 23 cents, aiming to capture a portion of the anticipated price increase while remaining below the resistance level. This strategy allows for potential profit from the expected upward trend while managing risk through a well-defined stop loss. Based on the provided price history and forecast for Ethereum name service, a bullish investment strategy is recommended. The historical price data shows a consistent upward trend, with the price reaching $40 recently. The forecast predicts further price increases, reaching $45 within the next week. This positive momentum suggests that Ethereum name service is likely to continue its upward trajectory. Therefore, a long position is advisable. An entry price of $38 could be considered, allowing you to buy in before the price potentially reaches its target. A stop loss at $35 would protect against any unexpected price reversals. The target price should be set at $43, capturing a significant portion of the anticipated price increase. This strategy aligns with the bullish outlook and aims to capitalize on the potential for further gains in Ethereum name service. Based on the provided avalanche price information, a bullish strategy appears suitable. The historical price data shows an upward trend, with the price hovering around the support level of $41.35. The forecast indicates continued upward movement, suggesting a potential price increase towards the resistance level of $45.30. This upward momentum, coupled with the proximity to the support level, presents a favorable opportunity for a long position. To implement this strategy, consider entering a long position at the current market price, which is slightly above the support level. Set a stop-loss order at $41.35 to limit potential losses if the price reverses. Target a price of $45.30, aligning with the resistance level, to capitalize on the anticipated price increase. This strategy aims to capitalize on the short to medium-term bullish outlook for Avalanche. Given the price trends and forecast for Vecane, a bullish investment strategy focusing on a short to medium-term approach appears suitable. The historical prices demonstrate an upward trajectory, with the current price hovering near the support level of $0.04255. The forecast indicates continued upward movement, potentially reaching $0.0527 over the next week. This suggests that Vecane may experience a price increase in the near future. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this potential growth. An entry price of $0.043 could be considered, aligning with the current price and providing room for profit. A stop loss at $0.042, slightly below the support level, would protect against unexpected price drops. The target price could be set at $0.048, aiming to capture a portion of the anticipated price increase before reaching the resistance level of $0.0504. This strategy balances risk and reward, allowing for potential gains while mitigating potential losses. Given the price trends and forecast for PENDLE, an investment strategy focusing on a short-term approach seems suitable. The historical prices demonstrate a general upward trend, with the current price hovering near the support level of $5.413. The forecast suggests further upward movement, with prices potentially reaching as high as $6.15. This indicates a bullish outlook in the short term. Therefore, a long position is advisable to capitalize on the potential for a price increase. An aggressive short-term investment strategy could involve an entry price of $5.45, aligning with the current price and the support level. The stop loss should be set at $5.34 to protect against any unexpected price reversal. The target price should be set at $5.80, aiming to capture a significant portion of the potential upward movement before reaching the resistance level of $6.08. This strategy allows for a relatively high risk-reward ratio, capitalizing on the anticipated price surge while minimizing potential losses. Based on the SAND price history and forecast, a medium-term investment strategy appears promising. The historical data reveals a volatile price trend with periods of significant growth, reaching a high of $0.773. However, recent price movements suggest a potential consolidation phase, with the price hovering around $0.616. The forecast indicates a gradual upward trajectory, with prices potentially reaching $0.741 in the coming weeks. Therefore, a long position on SAND is recommended for a medium-term investment horizon. An entry price around $0.620, slightly below the current price, allows for a potential margin of safety. The stop loss should be set at $0.580, a level below the recent support price of $0.616, to mitigate potential downside risks. The target price should be set at $0.730, aligning with the forecast and offering a reasonable profit potential. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated upward momentum while managing risk through a well-defined stop loss. Based on the provided price history and forecast for Decentraland, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price data demonstrates an overall upward trend, with recent fluctuations suggesting consolidation. The forecast projects continued growth over the next week, aligning with the historical upward momentum. This suggests a potential for further price appreciation in the medium term. Therefore, a long position on Decentraland is recommended. A strategic entry price would be around 63 cents, allowing for a buffer below the current price and the support level. A stop-loss order should be placed at $0.6256, the identified support price, to minimize potential losses. The target price could be set at $0.712, representing a conservative target aligned with the highest projected forecast price. This strategy capitalizes on the anticipated upward trend while incorporating risk management measures to protect potential investments. Based on the provided price history and forecast for ENG Coin, a bullish investment strategy appears promising. The historical price data shows a clear upward trend, with the price consistently making higher highs and higher lows. The current price is hovering near the support level of $0.303, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. The forecast predicts further price increases, with the price expected to reach $0.393 in the coming weeks. Therefore, I recommend a long position on ENG Coin with a conservative investment horizon. A suitable entry price would be around $0.305, slightly above the support level, allowing for some margin of safety. The stop-loss order should be placed at $0.295 to protect against unexpected downward movements. The target price could be set at $0.385, aiming to capture a significant portion of the anticipated price appreciation while leaving room for potential further gains. This strategy capitalizes on the positive momentum and bullish outlook for ENG Coin, aiming to generate attractive returns within a reasonable timeframe. Given the price trends and forecast for Uniswap, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices show a general upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $12 price point. The forecast indicates continued upward momentum, projecting prices to reach $14 in the coming weeks. This suggests a bullish outlook for Uniswap in the medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this potential price increase. An ideal entry price would be around $12.50, allowing you to buy in before the projected price surge. To manage risk, a stop loss should be placed at $11.80, protecting your investment from significant downside movement. The target price could be set at $13.80, aiming to capture a substantial portion of the anticipated price appreciation. This strategy balances risk and reward, aiming to profit from the medium-term bullish outlook for Uniswap. The provided price data for Chainlink suggests a bullish outlook. The historical price shows a consistent upward trend, reaching $18 recently. The forecast indicates continued growth, with prices potentially reaching $20 over the next week. This positive momentum, coupled with the support price of $18.518, suggests a strong foundation for further price appreciation. Therefore, an aggressive investment strategy for Chainlink would involve a long position. An entry price of $18.50, slightly above the support level, would allow for a margin of safety while still capturing potential upside. A stop loss at $17.50 protects against unexpected price reversals. The target price should be set at $19.50, aligning with the forecast and allowing for a reasonable profit margin. This strategy capitalizes on the bullish trend and aims to generate returns within a relatively short timeframe. Based on the provided historical price data and the one-week price forecast for Aave, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical price demonstrates an upward trend, with recent fluctuations around the $200 mark. The forecast suggests continued growth, with prices potentially reaching $221 within the next week. This indicates a bullish outlook for Aave in the short to medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended. An ideal entry price would be around $205, slightly below the current price, allowing for a margin of safety. The stop loss should be placed at $198, a level that aligns with a significant support price, protecting against potential downward corrections. The target price could be set at $220, aiming to capitalize on the projected price increase while leaving room for further potential growth. This strategy balances risk and reward, allowing for potential profits while mitigating potential losses. Given the price trends and forecast for EOS, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The historical prices demonstrate a clear upward trend, although with some recent consolidation. The forecast suggests further price appreciation, with the potential to reach levels above the current resistance of $0.9549. This indicates a bullish outlook for EOS in the medium term. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this potential growth. An ideal entry price would be around $0.900, allowing you to buy in before the anticipated price surge. A stop loss should be set at $0.8436, the support level, to minimize potential losses if the price unexpectedly drops. The target price could be set at $1.050, a level that provides a healthy profit margin while remaining within the range of the forecast. This strategy allows you to participate in the potential upside of EOS while managing risk effectively. Based on the provided Tron data, a short-term investment strategy appears promising. The historical price data reveals a consistent upward trend, with the current price hovering near the support level of $0.1942. The forecast indicates further price increases, reaching up to $0.218 within the next week. This suggests a bullish outlook for Tron in the short term. Therefore, a long position is recommended to capitalize on this potential price appreciation. An ideal entry price would be around $0.203, aligning with the current price and allowing for some room to maneuver. A stop-loss order should be placed at $0.196 to mitigate potential losses if the price reverses unexpectedly. The target price could be set at $0.214, aiming to capture a significant portion of the anticipated price increase while staying ahead of the resistance level of $0.2119. Based on the provided data for Suncoin, a medium-term investment strategy appears most suitable. The price history shows a recent downward trend, with the current price hovering near the support level of $0.01886. However, the forecast indicates a potential upward movement in the coming weeks, with prices projected to reach around $0.024. This suggests a possible buying opportunity at the current price level. Therefore, a long position in Suncoin is recommended for a medium-term investment horizon. An entry price of $0.0219, close to the current price, would be appropriate. A stop-loss order should be placed at $0.0206 to limit potential losses if the price continues to decline. The target price can be set at $0.024, aligning with the forecasted price, allowing for potential profits as the price moves upwards. This strategy aims to capitalize on the anticipated price increase while managing risk through a well-defined stop-loss order.